Hello, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a huge problem in AI video generation, making things move realistically. Often, AI videos get the physics all wrong, with objects moving in strange and unnatural ways. That's because most AIs are just mimicking patterns they've seen, without any real understanding of physical laws. A groundbreaking new paper introduces a framework called PhysChoreo, which aims to solve this very problem. As you can see from these incredible examples, it can take a single image and a text prompt and generate a video where objects behave just as they would in the real world. It can handle simple actions like a mug falling or much more complex ones, like two balls colliding and turning into liquid. So, how does it accomplish this? The process starts with deconstructing the scene from the input image. First, it identifies the objects and reconstructs them as 3D point clouds, essentially creating a digital blueprint of the scene. But here's the really clever part. The AI performs what the researchers call part-aware physics reconstruction. It doesn't just see a knife, it understands there's a metal blade and a wooden handle, each with different physical properties. It then assigns values like density, elasticity, and friction to every single point on these 3D objects. Once the AI has these physically aware digital objects, it moves to the next stage, simulation. It plugs these objects into a physics engine that can be edited and controlled over time with text instructions. This allows for an incredible level of creative control that goes beyond just setting up an initial scenario and letting it run. You can command it to change an object's properties mid-video, like making something suddenly heavier or turning it into liquid upon impact. This dynamic, editable simulation is what allows for such rich and complex results. When you compare PhysChoreo's output to other leading video generation models, the difference is stark. In this example, the prompt is about a basketball bouncing higher and then squashing a teddy bear. PhysChoreo nails the physics of the bounce and the deformation of the bear, while other models struggle to interpret the complex instructions correctly. User studies in the paper confirmed that people found its videos vastly more realistic and accurate. The system's fine-grained control allows for some truly creative effects. Here, they demonstrate changing a material from elastic to liquid, or editing an object's density to make it hollow, all while the simulation is running. So, to quickly recap the key points. PhysChoreo works by first understanding the 3D shape and material properties of objects from a single image. Then, it uses an editable physics simulator to generate realistic motion based on text commands. This is a fundamental shift from AI that simply mimics motion to an AI that understands the underlying causes of motion. The potential future applications for this are enormous. Imagine video games with hyper-realistic physics, more effective training simulations for robots, or movie special effects that are seamlessly grounded in reality. It's a huge step toward creating AI that doesn't just see our world, but actually understands its physical rules. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and we'll see you next time.